only time will heal. Too late to erase the bad we've done. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Push and pull, but you repel me. I'm giving up this fight. Love and hate, we've learned the lies. I'm giving up this fight. Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand, from hidden sin. We need tonight. I run away. Can we ride in this moment? Can we ride? Nothing's stopping us tonight. No, not a single brake light in our sight. In our way, I'll be your passenger. You lead the way. You lead the way. I'll let you take the wheel. I'm feeling something real. I need to feel that breeze rush your feeling. Not a single taillight in our sight. All I see are green lights ahead, lighting our way. Lighting up our way, yeah. Lighting up our way. Lighting up our way. They light it up, they light it up. Can we drive right into this feeling? Can we drive? 'Cause there's a way I'm stopping tonight. No, not a single red light in our sight. In our way, yeah. I'll be your passenger. You lead the way. I'll let you take the wheel. I'm feeling something real. I need to feel that breeze rush over me. You lead the way. Not a single taillight in our sight. In our way. All I see are green lights ahead, lighting our way. Lighting up, yeah. Lighting away. All the green lights. Lighting up now. All the green lights. I'll be your passenger. You lead the way.
That was a great show that we just got to witness. This was Caprici's Autumn Winter 18 collection that was presented by Arpita Mehta and Nimish Shah. What we got to see was so much in terms of high fashion and functionality. Now, Caprese is no stranger to the Lakme Fashion Week platform. We always see you, we always see the brand here, time and time again, always enticing us with a new avatar, more edgy, more fashion-driven, more feminine. It couldn't get better than what we got to see today. Two revolutionary designers, great names in their own right, and obviously stunning showstoppers. We had the lovely Karishma Kapoor walking the ramp for Arpita Mehta today. Talking about the show, I would love to hear from Mr. Sudeep Ghosh, CEO, VIP Industries Limited. What was it like collaborating with these great, great fashion powerhouses?
Okay, first of all, it's been a pleasure to be back with Lakme Fashion Week. It's been our, I think, fifth season. And we keep coming back because both our values match. It's fashion by Indian, for Indian. I think that's beautiful. It's actually wonderful. I was just talking to the designers. Both the designers were very different. One was, I mean, I'm not no connoisseur of design, but to me one was casual. The other one was very festive, party festive. And the bags went very well, and they've coordinated very well. So I guess it's been a fantastic show, and we're very, very happy. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Nimish, I would love to hear from you first, because what we got to see was, you gave fashion a shift. I mean, obviously, pun intended, because your label is Shift. So I'd love to hear from you, actually. What was it like when the brief came to you that Caprese, you're going to be collaborating for the Caprese show? And what was the elements that you took for the show and, got your own sense of style and fashion sensibilities to the table?
I think it was a very interesting collaboration. There was process involved. We met with the team. We saw the product. It sort of co-influenced. We designed after looking at the product, and there is a certain brand sensibility. There's a house aesthetic which marries to Caprese house aesthetic. So it was an interesting process, and yeah, it's exciting to see the end result, which is high fashion and approachable products.
Thank you, Nimish. Arpita, you always just like put on a very stellar show. Your collections are always feminine, breezy, and this time around also it seems like you put on a collection for the modern day jet setters. Could you let us know what exactly went into creating this, and what were the elements that you used from Caprese to integrate into the collection?
Firstly, I'd like to say thank you for all the kind words that you said. Secondly, Caprese itself is a very young and a fun brand. And the bag's also inspired by this little island called Capri, which is like a really sweet destination place that people could actually go for weddings now, now that weddings have become such a big thing to do it in like these foreign locales. So keeping that in mind, I thought it'll be nice to have a festive collection, a kind that someone could wear to like a destination like Capri. And these bags are such that one could wear it in the day, they could wear it in the night. Someone could wear like a shimmery clutch for a night look, or like a nice saddle bag for the day. So the entire outlook and feel to this collection was very easy breezy, very modern, young, as well as festive.
Thank you. Karishma, you look absolutely stunning. You look like you were having a ball of a time, even posing for the pictures right now. You look absolutely beautiful. It looks like the perfect thing for, the fashion-conscious jet setter. What was it like, coming back for Lakme Fashion Week? As we had the pleasure to have you before.
Well, it's always a pleasure to come back to Lakme Fashion Week, considering my sister is a brand ambassador of Lakme. So it feels wonderful. And year after year we come, and we see such talent out here. I'd like to say that, all the young designers are doing such fantastic work. So for us, artists, when we come to walk the ramp and we get to wear such good creations and such talent, so it feels really special and really wonderful. And I think today's sari is very glamorous, at the same time very classic and fun. So I'm feeling really, really festive and fun wearing this outfit.
I love how we're keeping it a family affair at Lakme Fashion Week.
Yes.
That's good to know. So when Arpita told you that you'd be wearing this collection, what were your original thoughts, and seeing how it's inspired so much by Caprese?
Well, her line is called Le Fleur, and she loves flowers. If you notice in all her collections, she has a lot of flowers in it. So this was sorry, I'm looking at you. I should be looking at you guys. But so I think this is one step ahead for Arpita also. This is, got the sarongs and the cool vibe, and at the same time it's got the glamorous, resort kind of saris and stuff like that. So I think it's a perfect blend, and it was a pleasure to walk for her and be here today. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Karishma. I'm just going to open the floor to media if you have any questions. Okay. Perfect.
Hi. Your sister, Karina, is also going to launch her makeup product for Lakme itself. So tell us, will there be a collaboration between both of you? Will you come on board for it?
Well, who knows that? You have to ask Lakme, not me.
Thank you so much. Just a request, if Karishma and Arpita, you could stay back. We'd like to do a couple of interactions with you all.
Thank you. Well, honestly, मैं काफ़ी nervous रहती हूँ because I think as an artist, हम लोग को काफ़ी take मिलते हैं, पर रैम्प पे एक ही take होता है. So it's a bit, you feel a bit nervous, but once you start walking, then that nervousness goes away. Yeah.
So while growing up, who took inspiration from whom? Did you take inspiration from Karina when it came to fashion, or Karina took inspiration from you?
Oh, well, I think both from each other. It's always, that's the case with two siblings and especially two sisters. You'll always discuss, clothes and fashion. Actually, even with my mom or cousins, तो वो तो बातें हमेशा होती है, आज तक. Well, I think I'm very classic. So I think I would call it very classic and sophisticated, Sophisticated chic. I like the classic looks. I'm not very boho and funky. But I like wearing them. But yeah, that's my personal taste. Well, honestly, I'm not into the gym look क्योंकि मैं gym जाती नहीं हूँ. I don't step out to go to the gym. Let me tell you like that. I'm quite a private person. तो मैं घर पे ही मेरा gym है तो मैं वहाँ gymming करती हूँ, yoga करती हूँ. But I think I think everyone is used to it. All the actors are used to it. तो अभी इतना pressure नहीं होता. Thank you. For the first time. I don't actually remember. Well, I think मेरी पहली या दूसरी फिल्म होगी या शायद खुददार, like way back in the 90s. तो उसके बाद अभी I learned quite quickly. तो बीवी नंबर वक्त तक मैं expert हो गई थी. So my manager doesn't feel so. But then I got used to, साड़ी में dance करना भी आदत हो गया था. At काफ़ी young age, I must have been 18, 19, 20 by then. तो I think it is our Indian dress, which we should be very proud of. And I love wearing, like right now I'm wearing, this modern take on an Indian sari. So it's always a pleasure, to wear a sari. Well, I think he's a camera expert now. Huh? All the lovely photographers have made him an expert now. और वो सब, I think वो जानता है सबको. And he keeps smiling. So I think just like the audience, हम लोग भी बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं जब उनका smile देखकर. Well, I just like to say that, like I've said earlier, that to all the young girls and ladies out there, that, you know, be yourself. Whatever your fashion style may be true to it. Don't try to only follow trends or try to fit into, you know, tight-fitting clothes. You are beautiful the way you are. Every woman is beautiful the way she is. So follow your style trend. Thank you.